It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. I am back. I cleaned myself up. I straightened my hair. I was cleaning all morning. I went to the beach. I saw a crane. I saw some geese. I saw 27 turtles. So it was a good day at the beach. It's hot here, by the way. It's like 81. It's getting a little overcast, I noticed. But earlier today, I did light up, oh my goodness, laundry day. We got to talk about laundry day. This candle surprised me a lot in a good way. Also, I've been kind of reading my comments. I haven't answered any yet. But thank you to everyone who pointed out that the reason the faceted fine fragrance mist are $6.50 is because this is like an upgraded bottle style. I didn't know that because Sunshine Mimosa is $15.50. These are $16.50, which is kind of interesting. Also, a lot of people have been asking me about berry waffle cone in the body care. And I've seen the photos all over Instagram. I know nothing, which is not helpful. I'm actually, when I go to the store tomorrow, I'm going to ask to see if anyone knows. It's kind of interesting that Canada is releasing some of these, like, the cotton candy clouds, that sugar one. It's kind of interesting. Oh, vanilla sprinkles, I think they got. And that we haven't gotten anything like that yet. I'm hoping we do get berry waffle cone because that would make a fabulous body care collection. Obviously, they haven't released the summer collection yet. Remember last year we got Boardwalk Taffy, we got what was that, Beachfront Blanket, the whole collection. So I know summer's coming. I just don't know what we're getting yet. So cross your fingers that berry waffle cone is going to be around for summer. But I really need to talk about laundry day. So I went into the store, gosh, was that yesterday? It feels like a long time ago. It was so exciting. So laundry day in my store was out. My store did not have any of the other collection out. They didn't have like the stained glass window ones, raspberry mimosa. They did have sunshine mimosa. But they did not have like the pink lemonade, the tea rose, the spiced vanilla cupcake, although I did pick one up a couple of weeks ago. They had set a few out. So laundry day is actually part of a collection that includes 6 candles. It includes laundry day, coconut sandalwood, pineapple mango, endless weekend, lavender sea, and salted ocean air. Now, coconut sandalwood came out during semi-annual sale, as did the lavender sea. I actually have a lavender sea. Check it out. This one is very nice. It's an online exclusive right now in that collection. The collection's very pretty. It looks very beachy. It's kind of got like these white stone motif. I did like my lavender sea though. This one smells amazing from semi-annual. Look at the lid on this too. So the scent notes in this one were soft lavender, waves, vanilla sea foam, and coconut water. So I highly recommend that one. So laundry day, everybody's been wanting the laundry day candle. We did get it in the wallflower refill a little while ago, and it's actually considered a fresh and exhilarating. Fresh and exhilarating. Where did I get that? Fresh and relaxing. It's exhilarating too. The scent notes are fresh air, crisp eucalyptus, and soft lavender. I don't necessarily think the scent notes completely tell the whole story. This is a very complicated candle to describe. So I got the wallflower refill a little while ago. I've tried it. It's funny because I wasn't super crazy about this one, just smelling the wick, nor smelling the candle cold. But when I use this one and I'm burning the candle, it's a whole different story for me. I feel like it is really strong, both on the wick and cold. Like when I got this one home, because I didn't smell it in the store, I smelled it cold, and I told my mother, I'm like, I don't know about this one. This one is really strong. So the jar style on this one is very pretty. It's just basically a white. It's kind of got like a little bit of a pattern on it. It almost looks like a little bit of a basket weave. It is White Barn branded. And it's a beautiful candle. I mean, it's very kind of like zen relaxing, which I like. And like I said, when I smelled it cold, I was like, wow, you can really smell that eucalyptus. You get the hint of lavender, but it was almost a little bit too overwhelming for me. So I was a little nervous. I'm like, okay, we're going to light this one up. I really like it when it's burning. So I've had this one burning for a couple hours, got a great wax pull going on this one. It smells amazing. It really does smell like freshly washed laundry. And I like the little hint of lavender in there because it gives it a little bit like of an outdoorsy smell. I'm actually going to blow this one out. Little bit of mushrooming on there. I don't mind the mushrooming. I feel like the mushrooming makes the candle burn a little bit better. The only thing is when you blow a candle out, I don't like to dip the wicks when you've got the mushroom because then the black stuff gets inside the, in the candle and the wax. The only thing is when you blow out a candle that's mushroomed a little bit, it's going to take a few seconds for those wicks, the embers in the wick, especially if you've been burning it for a long time like I have, to kind of go out. But if you just have it in an open air setting, it blows off really quickly. So there, no more smoke. So that smoke is not concerning to me at all. That does not mean the candle wasn't burning properly. It just means when I blew the candle out, kind of the mushroomed wicks were a little bit embery. Is embery a word? So anyway, oh my goodness. I smell the wax. It smells good like right now. So let me show you the jar style a little bit closer too. How pretty that is. The lid on this one really does feel like kind of like what you would think Laundry Day would look like. So it's basically like a plain, almost like clay colored off-white lid, and it's got the white barn embossed on the top, but it's pretty and it matches the candle nicely. It really does to me smell like fresh laundry. I mean, it does. It smells like a giant pile of freshly washed towels. And that's a really nice smell. It's very fresh. It's very crisp. It's very relaxing, which like I said, it kind of surprised me a little bit because I was a little bit worried that it would have a little bit too much of an overpowering smell, that eucalyptus and that fresh scent, because I don't always love fresh scents. If they're too strong or they're too like have a little bit of like a chemical smell sometimes to me, I don't like that. And I don't really smell that as much with Bath & Body Works, but I've smelled other stuff from other brands where you sometimes get like a little bit of like that fresh chemically smell. I don't like that smell at all. I like more of a natural smell. And I think this one actually really delivers. If you're someone who doesn't like really strong scents, I don't know if you're going to love this one because it is really strong. It was weird because literally, when I lit this one up, I had my matches. I use those long, where'd my matches go? Oh, here they are. I always light my candles with my large Ray Dunn wooden matches. I don't use a gas, or one of those propane lighters. I always use a match. I'm old school. And it was funny because to me, the mark of a good candle is when you light the candle and all of a sudden you just get like a whoosh of fragrance. And that's what this one did. A lot of the blueberry ones have done that for me this year too. But I just love it when you get that little whoosh of fragrance. So anyway, that's what this one did. And then what happened was I actually was running around the house. So I let this one burn in the living room and I was running, outside, inside. And every time I came back into the living room, I'm like, oh, it smells so good. It really does. So if you've been liking the Laundry Day in the Wallflowers refill, if you love that fresh laundered smell, I think you're going to love this one. I actually think this is going to be one of those candles that gets sold out quickly. And it's going to be hard to find in stores based on what I saw yesterday because everybody's looking for it. So it's one of those things that you once we get a sale, they're going to be, people are buying them for full price. Yesterday in the store, they weren't even waiting for the sale. So the fact that they're not waiting for the sale and buying it makes me think that once the sale comes along, they're all going to be buying it really fast. So anyway, I'm going to give this one like a 9.7 out of 10. I think it's absolutely wonderful. There's really nothing I can say bad about this candle. It's beautiful. It's strong. If anything, why it got the 9.7 is it's a little bit too strong. Just a little bit. Like I said, if you're prone to being bothered by like scents that are really strong, I would maybe pass on this one. But I know a lot of people are going to like this because a lot of people like that really strong scent. of this collection, I think I might try and get the pineapple mango. That one looks pretty. I'm not a huge fan of Endless Weekend. Endless Weekend is actually the summer mandarin, the sun-kissed magnolia and blue coconut water. I'm going to have to smell that one first, kind of see if it's like the body care. And then Salted Ocean Air is kind of intriguing me. That's fresh ocean mist, warm summer winds, and beach musk. Again, I don't know if I'm going to like that one. That might be a little bit stronger. But I'm really excited to get my hands on some of the other new candles in this collection that just got released. So anyway, yay for laundry day. Let me know if you're getting it. Let me know if you like it. I will see you guys soon. I got one more video for you guys today. Bye-bye.